My ex told the court he couldn't afford the alimony payments, said he was barely covering his own rent. The judge accepted his updated financial statement, reduced his payments by 60% that same day. 3 weeks later, his cousin posted a photo of him at a marina, standing next to a boat he'd just bought. Tagged, dated, public. I saved the post, the date, the marina's public listing price for that model, and forwarded everything to my lawyer. We filed an emergency motion. The judge asked him directly how someone barely covering rent had just purchased the boat in cash. His payments weren't just reinstated, they were backdated with interest. Follow for what his cousin posted after that.